Good morning, friends. This is SMK. I hope all of you are doing good and staying safe at home. This invisible enemy has been a serious threat to us from a very long time, and hats off to the frontline workers who are doing a great job. One thing that you need to fight this COVID virus is a strong immune system, which you get if you're healthy, and the other part is you need to be strong as well. So today I thought of helping you all with a set of exercises that you can practice at home, anywhere in the morning or in the evening as well. So it is basically with the chair. All of us will have senior citizens or age old persons at home, and it is really difficult for them to visit a park for a morning walk, or spend some time with their friends exercising in the park. So I thought I could compensate that part, not actually compensating the ambience or the time that they spend with their friends. I can compensate the exercise part with these simple chair exercises, which they can do. The best part about this exercise is you don't actually need a large space to perform this. You can practice it even in a small place in your home, and all it requires is one good chair. One second, I'll show you. A good chair like this, which does not have the arm support, and one more thing you'll require is two water bottles which are completely filled. I'll tell you why I'm using this water bottles, because 1 liter is almost equivalent to 1 kilogram. So it is like you having 2 kg dumbbells with you. So this can be really useful to you. So, and one more thing is you'll need a napkin as well. So I'll teach you how to use this. So let us get started. The first set of exercise is for your neck. So sit straight. Place your foot firmly on the floor and bend your head to the right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also push your head slightly down, and this is basically to stretch your neck muscles. And don't push too much because you may hurt your neck. After this is turning of your head sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your chin is in line with your shoulders, because that is when the complete twisting happens. After this is neck swings. First, drop your neck down. Now slowly start swinging to the right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is basically half rotation. And the next is full rotation. Clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, and anti-clockwise, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are done with your neck. Let us move on to the shoulders. So drop your arms down, free your shoulder muscles first, and then start rolling them backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Concentrate on your shoulder joints. Now forward motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is elbow rotation. So join your elbows first and start rotating them backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join your elbows in the front, and while taking them back, stretch as much as possible. Now sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is basically to expand your chest muscles, so concentrate on the chest region. Now up and down movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you'll have to use the water bottles. And the exercise is lateral raises. First, side lateral raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is for strengthening your deltoid muscles, so concentrate on your deltoid muscles. Now front raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now hold one bottle horizontally and try to lift the other bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now try this on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us practice lateral stretches. So sit straight, take your right arm above your shoulders and then slowly bend to the left. Feel the stretching in the right lateral muscle and compression in the left lateral muscle. Practice with the opposite side now. And one more added variation to this is you can also stretch your legs with your hands, like 1. Make sure your body is in one straight line. 2, 3 and 4. Stop the practice. The next part you'll have to work on is your core muscles. So sit in the front end of your chair. You can hold the chair if you want. You can rest your back if you're feeling it difficult. Now join your heels and you'll have to pull your knees close to your chest now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe the squeezing of your abdomen. Another variation in this is cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a very good exercise for your core muscles and the oblique muscles. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can also try alternate leg raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, practice chair plank. Take your legs back, not too far, not too close to the chair. Now place your palms on the chair and slowly lean forward. Make sure your back is straight. Stay in the same position for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we'll move on to the legs. Start hitting your toes to the floor slowly. Now slowly increase the speed. Start moving your arms. Practice seated jumping jacks. Stop the practice. Stand up and practice jogging. Now let us stretch the quadricep muscles. Take the support of the chair and fold your knees. Hold your ankles tight and stretch them until you feel the pain. Practice with the other leg as well. Now let us move on to squats. Squats can be of two types. One is half squats, wherein you will be resting your buttocks on the chair every time, and the other is full squat, wherein you will go down completely and come up. Half squat is for people who are facing knee problems. Practice Bulgarian curls now, wherein you will place one leg on the chair and balance your whole body with the other. Try to go down slowly first, and if this is easy for you, then you can add weights. But be careful while balancing. The next one is hamstring pull. Sit straight and hold both the ends of the napkin tightly and place your foot in the middle. Now by tightening your knees, stretch your legs front. Hold on. And if this is easier for you, then you can pull your legs up. It is basically to stretch your hamstrings, so observe the stretching in your hamstring muscles. The next one is calf raise. You can do it either by standing, that is by taking the support of the chair, standing straight, and without bending the knees, you will have to lift your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can do it by sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sitting would be comparatively easier for you, so you can add weight for that. I have with me a 5-liter water can and I am using this as my weight. So you can use a similar object in your home. And the last part is your ankles. So first is ankle rotation clockwise and then anti-clockwise. After that is ankle twisting. Place your ankles on the thighs, hold your ankles tightly and then twist them up and down, up and down. Practice this for 5 rounds and practice with the other leg as well. You can increase all the sets and reps if you are finding it easy. So these are the basic full body exercises that you can practice at home. Spend at least 15 to 20 minutes every day for exercise, because that will be really helpful to you even in the future. You can also teach these simple exercises to your friends and family members, but follow the same order, because I have covered I have covered all the major muscles from the neck muscles till your toes. So please follow the same order. And anyways, stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to practice this simple chair exercises. Goodbye.